Hi guys, so what is Jasper AI? How does it work and what does it offer you? So in this video, we'll have an overview of Jasper and explain all its key features. So once you sign in on Jasper, you have right here by the left, your dashboard, the templates, the summarizer, the documents, recipes, art, and then settings and help. Okay, so the dashboard is right here essentially just welcomes you to Jasper, and then the templates are where the action really is. So you have right here it says all. If you click on all, you have all Jasper AI templates here. You have the documents for writing articles and blogs, you have content summarizer, you have AIDA framework, you have videos explaining each of these templates. You have the blog post conclusion paragraph. That's if you want to write a conclusion. You have blog post intro paragraph if you want to write an introduction, blog post outline to get an outline for your blog post, business or product name if you want to create a business or product name. You can use this template. We have the creative story and all of these templates. So essentially most of the templates are very similar because you simply have to click on them. So for example, if I were to click on this Amazon product description template, then you just have to click on it and then provide the necessary information, and then Jasper will do all the writing for you. Okay, so so right here we have the Amazon product description template. So right here you just input the name of your product, its key benefits and features, the tone of voice that you want Jasper to write in, and then you click on generate. Okay, so for the most part, most of the templates are very easy to use. You just have to click on whichever one you want and then fill in the information, and then Jasper will provide an article or a copy or a social media post or a product description, whatever it is you want to write. So for example, right here we have personal LinkedIn post. You can use this template if you want to post on LinkedIn. Right here you have a problem that you want to solve on LinkedIn, and then here you provide a solution to the problem, which could be your online course, your digital product, your service, your website. Then here you provide additional information about yourself. Here you talk about the intended audience, and then here you put a call to action, which could be something like visit my website, sign up for my course, buy the product here, that kind of call to action. You can input your call to action right here. So Jasper is very easy to use. The templates are very um, beginner friendly. And if you want to write an article or a blog post, just click on blog, and then you can choose blog post conclusion, uh, blog post intro paragraph, blog post outline, content improver if you want to improve a piece of content. So it's very easy to use. And yeah, so if you're a complete beginner, then you just have to click right here where it says documents. Okay, and then you have a free form with any template. You have workflows, you have blog post starter. So if you click on this, you would write from scratch. If you click on this, you start with a workflow, and if you click on this, you start with a starter. Okay, the starter essentially means that Jasper would write the introduction and the title of your blog post before you start the editing. But if you write start from scratch, then you can control everything from scratch. So for example, if I click on start from scratch for my blog post, Jasper would open a new document. Essentially, it's a blank page, and then I'll be able to fill in all I need to write my article. So for example, right here it says content description slash brief. I can just write the topic that I want Jasper to write about. Say write an article on um on uh, personal development. Okay, write an article on personal development goals. Okay, so right here, the title of the article is personal development. Okay, let's say how to set personal development goals. And then here it says tone of voice. You can choose any tone you want. You can choose a fun tone, witty tone, a serious tone, a conversational tone, so let's say a fun and conversational tone. And then right here you have your keywords. You can input any keywords you want. So since the article is about personal development, we can have personal development as a keyword right there. Okay, so we've filled in the content description, the tone of voice, and the keywords. All we have to do is uh, write the title of the article right here, how to set personal development goals. And then this will be our header one, and then to tell Jasper to start writing, you simply click on Control and then J if you're using a Microsoft or Windows PC. But if you're not using a Windows PC, you click on Command plus J. So if you're using a MacBook, you click on Command and then J. Okay. So right here, if I click on Control and then choose J, Control and J, Jasper starts writing the article for me. Okay, very easy, very easy to use. So that's it for the blog post. Here are some tips for setting personal development goals. Very easy, very fast, and it's 100% unique, so you don't have to worry about being disturbed by anyone or Google. Every article from Jasper is 100% unique. You can see it's going on and on and on. I could write up to 1,000 words in less than 5 minutes, and it would, be high quality articles that make real sense. Okay, so that's it for articles. Let's move on. Okay, that's it for templates. Let's move on to the summarizer. Right here, you have the content summarizer. To use this, you simply have to copy and paste one side, and then Jasper will generate of the entire article. So for example, using the last article we wrote on how to set personal development goals, I just copied that and pasted it right here. And yeah, very good. And the next thing is just to click on generate right here, and then Jasper will generate a summary of the article we wrote just now on how to set personal development goals. So you can see right here is a summary of the article, very brief, very concise, and very accurate. You can just copy this. You can use this for summarizing any long news articles, uh, social media posts, whatever it is. Just copy and paste into the summarizer, and then you can copy the summary and use it for whatever you want. Okay, and then right here it says documents. We've gone over documents, and once you open documents, you click on new document and then choose start from scratch. We've talked about this. And then the next part is the recipes. Okay, now, these are uh, essentially, okay, think of these as like workflows, right? You have the cold email recipe, you have the blog post recipe, you have the idea factory, you have the Facebook ad. So if you want to write a cold email, then just click on cold email recipe right here. Once you open the recipe, you'll be able to write a cold email by just filling in the data that Jasper requires. But we don't have time to get into that. We would make a separate video on how to use the recipe. And finally, we have art. Okay, so to use art, you need the paid version. And so I'll log into my paid account on Jasper, and I'll make a complete tutorial on how to create art with Jasper AI. And next up, we have settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be able to adjust all your settings. And finally, to sign out of Jasper, just click right here on your name and choose sign out. Okay. And in this video, we've just done an overview of Jasper. If you want to learn how to use all of the outputs on Jasper, kindly check out other videos on our channel where we go in depth into how to write articles, how to write blog posts, product description, LinkedIn posts, social media posts, essays, non-fiction books, cookbooks, and everything that Jasper can do. If you want to sign up on Jasper, kindly click on the link in the description to get 10,000 words for free and a 5-day free trial.